All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel, man. Hey, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, guys. Man, I'm telling you, it's nice and rainy outside. I'm a little cold, but that's Bristol, man, for you. It's 37 degrees out here, guys, and we're about to go and check out the update on the 55 Pontiac, since I haven't been over there in a few days, guys. The last time we went over there, basically he was finished painting up all the parts and everything, and he was actually working on the muffler system and stuff on the truck. Let me tell you, I just want to let you guys see how nasty it is outside, but hey man, that's all right. Let me turn this camera around. Alright, so we just got over here at Counts. Let's go check them out. We'll check those Counts out here. Counts, where you at? Well, he done got this thing turned around. Ooh, I like those. The wheels looking good. Man, the wheels looking good. Where you at? What's up, buddy? Man. Ron, this is awesome, man. Oh, you got the rear bumpers already on there too?
Well, I'll pick them back off. I'll put them on there and get them up. That muffler system exactly where it wants.
Wow, Ron, you did I bet you that was a tough bend right there.
Yeah, I don't live long to put them two ends on there. It was mean too. Hard to do without a damn bender. You gotta.
Wow, man, hey, but you know what though? I like that. That is cool.
Well, it works out.
That is cool, man. So, oh man, so that's.
Well, I bought
So what you think about that?
I bought these. I'm kind of torn between them and these. These are pretty daggone nice right here. Ones that fitted just right.
Yeah. Now, will those sound louder since it's like dualies, or will they have much different sound to it? I always wondered about that.
They won't be talking about these.
Yeah, I always wondered about
I
that.
sort of doubt it. I don't know that exact question. I sort of doubt it. But I kind of like this.
I already had all of these for,
Just like that. Yeah, I bought the whole kit.
and it was basically exactly for what you needed.
55 Chevy.
Yeah, but the same thing though.
Same thing.
Wow, okay. I remember when you got these, but I wasn't sure if they was gonna be for the same thing. But you even got it for the rear bumper. And that's that piece he got chrome, that rear bumper. Ain't that something? And this he just got through doing his exhaust, man. That's awesome. Look at that exhaust he did. So you already ran your brake lines too, didn't you? Yep.
All except for the front. I'm gonna do that, but I can do that in the body group.
That exhaust system looked really good, Counts.
Look like a brand new frame sitting there, don't it?
It is a brand new frame. Sure. Wheels looking nasty, man. God.
Nice setup for the old car.
Yes, man. So you already got your harness back and everything, right? From PSI?
Well, yeah, I got it yesterday.
Oh, really? Must be nice.
$800.
Huh?
$800.
Well, we know that, but it's worth every bit of it. The cab on the frame, that's why I come up here so early.
Go ahead and spend another day on to get them cables around. I really think that's the smart move.
Yeah, your pulley system stuff turned out really good.
Yeah, everything works.
You put fluid in it yet?
Oh no, I ain't got I ain't got my plane run yet. I got that remade.
Oh damn, that's yeah. The exhaust looks really good. Well, we know you don't skimp on anything, brother. Alright, so let me put you guys up here. We're about to leave old Count's place now, man. We just got through doing a quick little walk around first. What he's got done. And so I guess he changed his mind. We was gonna actually put the cab on today, but he said since he finished the exhaust and everything, he got everything out, and he don't want to get back underneath that sedan after he put that cab on there. So he's going to go ahead and finish running his gas lines. He already ran his brake lines, but he's gonna go ahead and do his gas lines to his tank, back to his tank and everything. And also he said he's gonna do his battery. All right, so anyway, you know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this another video, but I may catch you guys in 2 days and we'll finish up this little video, because I really do want to see and I want you guys also to see that sedan on the frame. So since there wasn't really much to see today, I'm gonna make this video in 2 sections, and hey, I'll catch you guys back in a couple of days. So we'll follow up with Counts, and maybe we'll go over there and actually help him out if he ain't already jumped on it. Okay, so I'll get with you guys on the next video, and or a couple of days from now. Yeah, man, I mean, well, you even with that one there, you started because you did like that 3-piece,
Yeah.
like, and I mean, it seems like it's just got so much dimension to it. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like a 3D thing instead of just one. But my one piece is cool. I mean, everybody love that one piece, but
Oh yeah.
you just perfected it, man.
Yeah, that third, it does look good on there. Really, it does. I
Yeah.
have to set the other piece up for you. See how it looks.
You got another piece? Oh man, that's right. Yeah. So we are back the next day, man. And he already got this mount. Cap already on there. I'm so hyped, man. I tell you, like I said, I've never been so excited for somebody, man. I'm always excited for Counts because this guy works so hard. Look at this butt on that thing, man. Whoa. Oh, let me see that.
Ain't that cool?
Look at this here, man. You done just outdone yourself, man. You outdone yourself, Counts.
The other
God,
thing comes back down.
that
With
turned
the
out real
fancy-
good.
With the fancy grill that I did in the front, I think it's going to change.
Don't it seem like the small pieces always come out so slick?
Well, they probably will.
Oh, you would think that'd be harder. I don't want to get copyright. I'm gonna turn this down. He may get mad at me. Let me turn it down a little bit.
I know I gotta get that buffing wheel out of here.
Well, over there?
Hell yeah.
What you mean?
Well, you can't buff them around these damn parts.
Oh no. Yeah.
All I done was a little bit of buffing in them, covered up. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna get this car here back and move the little pickup over here, and I'm gonna try to set that bay back there and I get all the little stuff buffed out.
You need to donate one of these cars.
Who would I donate to?
The Sidetrack Tobacco.
I see. I see in here, and put like this one, I'm probably gonna have 30 grand in. And I just want all these hours every day that I just turn around and donate it. That's a smart way.
It's a good cause. It's a good cause.
Sidetrack the bucket got a whole garage full of cars. He don't need my job.
All right, Chris. So we are leaving old Counts there. I just had to come back so I can show you guys the cab on the frame and everything. And I tell you what, he's moving right along with that build, man. I tell you, I'm just so impressed with, like I said all the time to you guys, I'm so impressed with how he finessed everything. And hey, what you guys think though? You know, write down in the comments. You guys love that color and stuff, you know, that willow green and the ivory cream and stuff. And like I said, that's the paint color that's on the 2020 Indian motorcycles. That's like their color combinations. You guys make sure you share it, and don't forget to turn your post notification bell on, and make sure you also subscribe to this channel, guys. I want you guys to subscribe so we can continue growing, and so I can continue building awesome vehicles and showing you guys a lot of awesome vehicles. So this is going to be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar or fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.